anytime I get paid, one of the things that I do is that I go to the bank, take money out of my bank account, and I will arrange them for my dailies, for my savings challenges, especially for my 100 savings challenge. And when after I've done all that, then when some of the money is left, I'll use it for my other challenges. And I have 4 major challenges that I'm doing. That one at times I don't know how much I'm going to put in until I do everything else. Then whatever is left, I'll go ahead and put them in those 4 challenges. And today I think I do have quite a lot of money to even finish one of the challenge, and I can't wait to finish it today and come with you guys. So I'm going ahead to arrange all this money. Then I'm going to cast out those 4 challenges. They are 4 easy challenges that if you want to do them very, very easy, and you don't have to do all the 4 at once like what I'm doing, you can literally do some of them. You don't have to do all of them. I just love savings challenges, and all my savings challenge, I always tell people that it has a purpose. Every savings challenge that I do has a purpose. I don't just do them. So when I'm doing a savings challenge and you see that, oh, it's a lot of savings challenge, no, all of them have something that is going towards. Like you will see when I'm doing them. So if you are new here, my name is Josie. I do a lot of savings challenge like what I'm gonna do today. So I'm just arranging the money. Then we will count them. Then I also do some cash stuffing. I like talking about money, which is something I've loved doing for a lot of years now, even more than my professional job. I love talking about money because it's something that a lot of people don't want to talk about. If you raise it up, people think that you have money. That's why you love talking about them. But no, because I'm broke. So I'm getting my money together. So if I talk about them and I do them, it helps me as well. So we don't have money. We are just trying to also make sure we invest, we pay off our debt, because we are even too late in the game already. My husband and I already are in our 40s, and I can tell you that we are so behind in our investment when it comes to United States. Yeah, so we are really, really behind. So today we're going to do all the 4 challenges. I'll bring them out to show you guys one by one. So these are the 4 challenges. Let me push the money here a little bit so that you can see. I have my monthly one. I have my 52 money pot, which is the 52 weeks. I do have the 100 savings challenge in different ways. I'm going to finish this today, I think. Then I have the one that I put $100 in it. So these are the 4. We're going to go ahead and do them one by one. So let me put them on the side here. Okay, so I'll start with the monthly or weekly one. It depends on how you want to do it. And today we are going to finish the August one. So now let me get my calculator to do the math. Oh, and before I do that as well, let me go ahead and count the money. So we have 50, 100, 150, 200. So we have 200 plus 1, 2, that's 40. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 70 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 40. Then we have the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 61. 61. So we're gonna put in $411. That's how much you're gonna put in all the 4 challenge. Super excited. I want you guys to see the money. So I don't know whether I should put it here or yeah, maybe here. Okay, so this one is gonna be, if I do all of them, is gonna be 9 plus 11 plus 14. So I have 34. 34 going in here. So 34. Then we are done with the August one. Okay, so that's it for that one. Then my next one is the 52 weeks one, and that one today we are in 46, 47, 48. So let's do this. 40. So 46. So that's 46. So that one goes in here. Okay, that's why lab is very doable. And I do have them in my shop. The next one is 47. So let's take it from the ones because we have a lot of ones. So 47. 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, the next one is 40. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next one is 48. Let me move the ones over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 48. Let's see. That's why lab is very doable. Very. Look at that. Still the money fit. Yeah, so that's how far we are. 11 literally 2 roll. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna finish it next month. Then I'm gonna put towards my student loan. Yeah, and it's still closed nicely. Look at this. Super excited about that. Okay, then let me do the next one. The next one is gonna be my 100 envelopes. That one, for this one, each of them, let me put it here. I want to make sure you guys see that. So each of them get, oh, I didn't mark my tracker. Let me bring it back. Okay, so now we're on track. Then for this one, each of them get 100 on the slot. So each packet get 100. So this is our 4. Yeah. So today I'm gonna do 2 of them, which should be 200. So each packet get. I can't wait to get this done. It's a lot, but when I'm done, it means I have 10,000. And maybe by the time my student loan will be left with only 10,000, then we will just use it to pay, right? So I still have like about 8,000, less than 8,000 to go. So that would take a long time. But you never know. Maybe I'll win a lottery or I'll get money somewhere. Okay, so that's it for this 2. So we are at 2,200. So we still have about 7,800 to go. But like I said, it might be that we will get some money somewhere and get it done quick. But when I'm done, it might be also that my student loan will have only 10,000. Then we will put all the money in that. Otherwise, we will know what we're going to use the money for. But I know it's not for the Ghana trip, because we done it with the Ghana trip this summer already. So that's this for that one. Then this is the last one. This is the one we're going to finish today. Super excited that we are going to finish this challenge today. We're going to do all the rows today. Look at that. This one was the random one. So this is going to be a random one. So let's start with $3 in each. So I'll do 3. And I do have just 2 rows, no, 3. So I have to make sure all this money goes into this row, and we are done with this challenge. Then we're going to count it and see how much we save. This was like random. You decide what amount go into each of them. The next one I will do $2. Then I'll do $3. Then I'll do $2. I don't think I'm going on. Should I record it? Okay, I should. So I did 3, 2, 3, 2. Then I'm gonna do $3. When I'm done with this channel, I have another idea. I saw one of the YouTubers doing that. They were using Alexa to pick numbers 1 to 100. So I might do that one again in this. Then I'll do $3 again. Let's see. Then I might do another $3. Then maybe another 3. So we did 3, 3, 3. Then 11, the last 4. Let's see how much money we have left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so let's do, I'll do $3. I'll do $4. Then this one I'll do $3. Then I'll do $2. Then I'll do $5. So I'm done with that one. Yay, 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 yay. I'm done with this savings challenge as well. Like I said, we're going to find time and count it. So we are done. So excited. So this will be, I got it 4, 3, 2, 5. So look at it, let's look at it one more time, and we're gonna find time and count the, look at this. I think I was gonna put it in our travel, but I might put it towards my student loan, depending on the amount. What do you guys think? What do you think this amount is gonna be? It was so random. So thanks for watching me today. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Bye bye bye.